Hello everyone, welcome to Lockdown Crafts with Pile. Today I am going to make a paper wallet. So let's start. For that you will need glue. I have used Fevicol, you can use glue also. Pencil or pen. I recommend pencil to use so we can rub it. Scale, small scale is also okay, and a A4 size paper. TK sheet is also okay. A newspaper is also okay. What you have to do, if there is a full newspaper, take one newspaper out, then you will have two pages. So from middle line you can see, cut it, and then take the half part only. With one paper you can make two wallet. Okay, so let's start. So here I have a black sheet. You can use any color. Now keep it like this, and now fold these two corners to these two corners and press it. You can use ruler also to press it. Now open it. It is like a greeting card. Now flip it like this, or same shape only. Now you can see a straight line have come. Now if you are not able to see, again fold it. I told, these two corners to these two corners. And if the paper is dark in color, what you can do, flip it, take ruler and pencil, and on the line trace it if you are not able to see it. So see, now you can see it sparkles, the pencil line. Now we are able to see, this is visible. Now keep it like this, so you will get two halves of equal size and length and breadth. Now these two corners of one part, now you can take left also, you can take right also. Now I am taking the right, these two corners to the middle line, or this side to the middle line, and press it. As I told, you can use ruler also. Do the same by folding these two corners till the middle line, or this side till the middle line. Press it. These should be of equal length, and press it again. Now you will get like this shape. Now open it. Now it will look like a door. Now flip it. Why we are flipping it? Because when we fold it, this comes up and a line forms, so we can see that. So we have traced it here. Now flip it and trace these both lines. If you are able to see your lines, if the paper is not dark, it is light, so if you don't trace, it is okay. But if you have taken a dark paper like me, you can trace it. And afterwards, if it is visible on the paper, you can just rub it. Now you can see like this. Now flip it like this. We have fold two doors. Okay, now flip it again, the traced lines, the two. Now fold this two sides, or this side to this line, not the middle line, this line. You can take the left one also, but I recommend to take right only, or you will get confused if you do the other side. Press it. Okay, now flip it, and you can see this line. We have folded it like this, but we have to reverse it. So like this two lines, you can see that part. And now reverse it. Now how to reverse? You can take a ruler and then do it like this. The fold will be like that only. Now keep it and press it. Now this side, the left side. Now you have to double it again. Now so keep it like this and then fold it like this and press it with ruler. Okay, now keep this small side on the right and big side on the left. Now flip it. The horizontal side should be at the right and left and the small vertical side should be up and down. Now see, like this you will get. Now what you have to do, take your ruler. You can see this middle line. Afterwards you can rub if you want. Now keep it like this. Now what will happen? Horizontal top, down and sides, right, left and right. Now not the middle line it is necessary. You have to take it up, or if you do on the middle line you can't see the marking. So you from this side you have to mark 1.5 centimeters. So from here on both sides 1.5 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter. Now make a straight line. On both sides. It will look like this, two lines and a straight middle line. Now if you try doing like this, the paper will tear. So don't do like this or the paper will be wasted. So take ruler, keep it on the line, vertical line, and take this page like this in your hands and just slowly fold it with gentle hand. Don't do it really hard because the paper is also hard. If you have taken newspaper, you have to be more careful because the paper is not hard, it is loose. Now you have got this like this. Now just push it down. Push it down. And now we have to not do with ruler. Why? Because this is straight and we have like this two flaps. If we do this one, this side, you can see it is joint. So if we do it, it will get tear and there will be no sense to it. So press it with hands only, with force. Flip it and do the same. I have made a vertical line. Don't make horizontal lines, make vertical lines. Now how to understand which is horizontal and which is vertical? The small part will be vertical and press it well. Now the hardest part. Now keep the small. Now you can see these two flaps are there, smaller and bigger. So keep the bigger side facing to you like this. Now open the flap. Now I am showing the when you are doing, keep the small side to your side. Why I am showing? Because I have to show how to do. But when you are doing, keep the small side to you, facing to you. So I am also doing like that now. Now this flap you can see the opened flap, not joint flap. So this corner I will show you. This small corner will join to this corner, small corner to this corner, making a triangle. I am telling again, small side facing to you. Open this also and do the same. Two big flaps, not two small flaps. This to this, making a triangle, and press it really well. Don't do with ruler because it is very small and tiny. Done. Now take Fevicol or glue which you have. I recommend Fevicol because it has small tiny tip. If you take glue, it will spread all over the table and the surface will not look good and it will be sticky. If you want glue, you can use glue, but be careful. Now before using your glue, make a straight line. Now how the straight line, this line you can see which we have made, keep the ruler on that line and then continue it, so like this, and on this side also like this, not vertical, horizontal. Okay, now take glue and not going ahead this line, here only, not here, means not going to the small flap. Put glue, don't put cut to cut or it will come out, and spread it. So on not this flap, the triangle one, the folded one, this flap. Do it slowly, you will get it, don't do it in a hurry. If you are not sure, first you can try with newspaper. Slowly put till the middle line, you can see. I've put. Don't put the both. And now fold it like this, and this part will go inside this part, and then stick it, press it, and this down part also I will show you again because this is also there. So this one, not the folded one, this one, put glue. And this part, this corner will go inside, so bend it a little bit and then keep this out only and press it. Done. Easy. Now press it. Now this flaps which are we have not glue, and open. Now keep it like this, so it will be easy, and then put glue on the triangle also. So open the triangle, put a little bit glue and then stick the triangle in, so it will not pop out again and again. And then put glue. On both sides now. As I told, stick the triangle. And then stick it on this big one. It will take a little bit time, so don't be in a hurry. It will not stick. Press it well, and keep something on it. So I am putting a ruler, and on this side also do the same. If the Fevicol comes out, just wipe it and then press it with ruler, so it will stick. If it have not stick, so the Fevicol is not there, so just put 2 to 3 drops of it and then press. See, now you have got like this wallet. Here you can keep, and if it is like this and then like this also, if you want you can keep, or it will fall down, so keep here only. And then Now to give a wallet look, just fold these two corners to these two corners. Sorry, I showed the wrong side. Don't get confused like me. So these are the two parts. Here also one will come and here will also come. So, or dependent on this, now this side is on which side? On the right. If you keep it like this, it will be on the left. So from which it is opening, it will be like this. And this part which you have got, just stick it. Okay, so I have sticked it. Now you will get your wallet. See, and here also. Now to give a wallet look, fold these two corners to these two corners. I am telling again, don't get confused like me. And press it. I am using ruler because my paper is hard. And your wallet is ready. You can stick decorative materials to look it more attractive. So here I have made a wallet with newspaper. It is way much bigger than a A4 size paper. So you can see. So first you can try it with a newspaper, and if you get confused with the newspaper, it is okay, but don't get confused with the nice one paper. If you liked my today's video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.